Gets dark, gets light. Make up your bloody mind.
Not a chance on this earth am I going to give that wanker any sunlight. Why? Because he thinks he knows it all, he looks like a peacock, and he's just a knob.
10 seconds ago it was bloody sunny, now it's dark and I've got to use these bloody light. I hate these lights. Ooh, so the kick. So the kick, it's a good kick. Now that is super sorted. Unbelievable. How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Quick meal, one pot meal. You can do it in a roasting tray or in a bloody big heavy pan. Santa Fe chicken, that is heavy. Santa Fe chicken. It's Tex-Mex, it's southwestern flavors. You know, you got your black beans, you got your corn, you got your taco, on that wavelength. You bake it, you put your cheese on top of your chicken. It's beautiful, very quick, so I'm gonna crack on. I wanna make the taco seasoning, and this is so easy. So what do we need? First, chili powder, straight in. Cumin. Oregano, or oregano. Onion powder. Garlic powder. A little bit of salt and pepper, and then just mix that with your hands. That's it. How quick was that? Don't buy the packet taco mix. It's just full of crap. It's full of sodium and just chemicals and shit. Did you see how quick and easy that was to actually make? It took me 30 seconds and it smells amazing. It's gonna taste amazing on that chicken or any tacos. Airtight container, have it when you're ready. This is a cracking meal. Great midweek meal to actually make for the family. Very easy to make and great flavors. So I've got some room temperature, very important, room temperature. These are big bastards, chicken breasts. We're gonna brown them, add the taco seasoning, brown them, and we'll, I have no idea. My bloody brain just stopped, it just froze, no idea. We're gonna put the taco seasoning on and brown them. Get plenty of that taco seasoning on your chicken. And this is gonna create a nice taco crust on the chicken. Yep, I had to turn the lights on. It's like deep bloody space over here. So dark, it's unbelievable. I had to turn these bloody lights on. So we're gonna brown the chicken. Olive oil in the pan. Right, the pan's smoking, that's what you want. Get the chicken in, lay away from you. And get a nice crust on this chicken. Man, it just smells Tex-Mex. It smells amazing. All right, so put these to one side. So take them out of the pan. Got a beautiful crust on them, amazing. You want these to have a really good crust on them. Blackened, bags of flavor, and people are gonna say, Steve, these are burnt my arse. Right, I'm gonna put my chicken to one side and we're gonna get the other ingredients sorted out. So I'm gonna slice your peppers, a little diced garlic, and I want the onions to have, you know, fairly large chunks. It's diced, but I want large chunks. Quarter your tomatoes. They just smell like my granddad's garden. You can use, yeah, sure, you can use canned Toms. These are in season and they just create a better flavor. So in the same pan, add some olive oil, not too much. So add your peppers. Add your onions and garlic. Little salt and pepper. And you want to cook these out on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. And that's cooking away nicely. You're getting some nice char on those peppers. Don't worry, the garlic's not going to burn because the moisture of the peppers are going to keep it nice and moist. Next, add your sweet corn, your beans, and your tomatoes. The tomatoes are going to stop the dish from drying out. So just cook these for about 2 to 3 minutes. Just get them all melded together, and then we're going to have the chicken. It's been cooking for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add my chicken. Add that to the pan. Nice. I'm just going to lightly cover this with some foil. That weighs a ton. Just whack this in the oven until cooked. We'll put some cheese on it, melt it, serve up, easy. How easy was that to make? Simple ingredients, done well. And I'll tell you what, it looks amazing. I know it's got bags of flavor, especially with that taco seasoning. So I'm just gonna dive in. That beautiful cheese. Give this a go. Santa Fe chicken, you can't go wrong. Thanks, guys.